Good Thursday morning to you. I'm meteorologist Josh Stone in for John Scalzi today, and we're walking out to a temperature of 82 in Sarasota, 85 up in Cortez, 80 here in Bradenton. It's 83 in Inglewood, so temperature is quite warm, and once again we have that southwesterly flow that brings in that muggy air from the Gulf of Mexico, anywhere from 3 miles per hour up to maybe 8 or 10 miles per hour. That's going to be the case today. But again, a little more cloud cover moving in from the Gulf of Mexico and some scattered showers, maybe an embedded thunderstorm. Activity on the radar, just like this entire week, we've had these showers that have developed out here in the Gulf of Mexico and then kind of roll in, at least for the morning hours. The lone cell here right now, at least that has made its way on land, is right here along Cortez Road, the northern end of Anna Maria Island here and around Holmes Beach. And this is really the only game in town right now, just a steady shower, not any lightning strikes coming out of it. And that's what we're going to call for, at least for the morning hours, at least along the coast, and then inland, more shower storms develop like the last few days. But there's going to be a change in the pattern here, as there's going to be some more dry air that moves in. And we're calling for drier conditions tomorrow. Partly cloudy skies, low chance of only 20% chance of rainfall for tomorrow. And then things start to ramp up again over the weekend, but instead of the winds coming up from the southwest, they're going to be coming in from the east and southeast, more of a summertime pattern where we get those storms that develop inland, and then with the sea breeze kicking back from the east towards the west, those storms will start to roll in and affect the coastline in later afternoon hours. Dry air up to the north and west of us, that's going to help suppress the moisture coming in, and that means we're calling for partly cloudy skies and a low chance of rainfall for tomorrow. But for today, this area of low pressure eventually will break down for tomorrow, but right now it's still kind of holding on to whatever life it still has and bringing in that southwesterly flow to bring us the muggy conditions off the Gulf of Mexico. As far as your airport delays, Atlanta, LaGuardia, O'Hare, Charlotte, you're flying out of SRQ today, at least this morning. No issues there. Everything is all quiet. Futurecast shows, a few hit or miss showers for today, but as you can see, things start to wind down as we get into tonight and for tomorrow. Tropics, all quiet, no issues here in the Atlantic, the Caribbean, and Gulf of Mexico. However, the water is very warm here, so if a storm does develop, we'll have to watch it closely. But at this time, the upper level winds are very strong, so if a storm does develop, it'll be sure to part the upper levels. But we are entering into August and the beginning of September, which happens to be the peak of the season. Boating conditions today looking fairly good. Southwesterly winds at 10 knots, seas 2 to 3 feet with a light chop in the bays. Here you go with the forecast. Drier conditions tomorrow. As we get into the weekend, though, a little more activity, 60 to 70% chance of rainfall in the afternoon.